Hello friends, we proceed to the next part of current loop. Magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron in an atom. So what we have to do? We have to find out an expression for magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron in an atom. So let us develop a physical situation. Consider an electron with charge E equal to minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, performing uniform circular motion around a heavy nucleus of charge plus Ze. This is nucleus of an atom having charge plus Ze, and this is electron revolving around the nucleus. Now, in the second step, we find out electric current flow. How much is electric current flowing? Let us see. The revolving electron constitutes an electric current I equal to E by T, where E is charge on an electron, T is time period of an electron, because electric current is rate of flow of charge. Okay, because electric current is rate of flow of charge. So where T is time period of revolution of electron, because I is equal to Q by T, rate of flow of charge, so we write I is equal to E by T, where E is charge on an electron, T is time period of the electron. Now if electron is revolving with uniform speed v and r is the radius of the orbit, then time period t would be equal to 2 pi r by v. Let us mark it as equation 2. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now substituting the value of t from equation 2 in equation 1. Substitute the value of t from equation 2 in equation 1. We get I is equal to E divided by 2 pi r by v, and it is equal to EV by 2 pi r. When we substitute the value of t in equation 1 here, we get I is equal to E divided by 2 pi r by v, and it is equal to EV by 2 pi r. So therefore I is equal to EV by 2 pi r. Let us mark it as equation 3. Now in the third step, we go to orbital magnetic moment, ML, L for angular momentum, or mu L. Magnetic dipole moment can be expressed by m or by mu, and L is for symbol for angular momentum. L denotes that we are talking of orbital magnetic moment. Now since m is equal to I into A, therefore substituting the value of I from equation 3 in above expression, we substitute the value of I from equation 3 in this expression. We have m is equal to EV by 2 pi r, value of I EV by 2 pi r into A, and we have EV by 2 pi r. We substitute the value of A as pi r square, and on simplification we get it is equal to EVR by 2 and directed into the plane of paper. Why directed into the plane of paper? If you look at the loop, so electron is revolving in this direction, its positive charge we will take in the opposite direction, and if we use right hand thumb rule, then it will be directed into the plane of paper. So magnetic dipole moment will be directed into the plane of paper, or ML. We write this M, now we write this M in leg L, L for orbital momentum. So ml is equal to EVR by 2. Let us mark it as equation 4, where L is angular momentum of the electron. Now, multiplying and dividing equation 4 by mass of electron, ME, we have ml will be equal to ME. We multiply and we divide. So it doesn't make any difference. So ME EVR by 2 M into E. Now MEVR we separate and E by 2 ME we separate. So it is equal to E by 2 ME. MEVR is L. It is angular momentum. Angular momentum L is equal to MVR. We know this expression. So MVR we replace it by angular momentum and E by 2 ME as it is. So where L is equal to MEVR and is angular momentum of the electron. Or we write ml is equal to E by 2 ME into L. So let us mark it as equation 5. So equation 5 gives us the magnetic dipole moment due to angular momentum of the electron. Because electron is spinning also along with orbital motion, so it will possess spin momentum also. So there may be a dipole magnetic moment due to spin momentum. Okay. Now, so magnetic dipole moment due to orbital momentum is E by 2 ME into L, where E is charge on an electron. Now, gyrometric ratio. What is the definition of gyrometric ratio? The magnetic dipole moment due to orbital momentum per unit angular momentum is defined as gyrometric ratio. So from equation 5, we have ml divided by L is the gyrometric ratio, and it is equal to E divided by 2 ME. E by 2 ME. If we substitute the value of E as minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb to and ME equal to 9.31 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, we get ml by L. The gyrometric ratio is equal to 8.8 into 10 raised to power 12 coulombs per kg. Now, Bohr's magneton. What is Bohr's magneton? Let us see. Consider equation 5. ml is equal to E by 2 ME into L. It is the dipole moment due to orbital momentum of electron, and we know angular momentum L is equal to NH by 2 pi according to Bohr's second postulate of atomic model. Angular momentum of an electron is equal to integral multiple of H by 2 pi. So we have L is equal to NH by 2 pi. So substituting the value of L here, so we can express equation 5 as ml is equal to E by 2 ME into NH by 2 pi. For Bohr's magneton, N is equal to 1. Because Bohr's magneton is the magnetic dipole moment of an electron of hydrogen atom in the first orbit. So for first orbit, we take N equal to 1. So we write magnetic dipole moment due to orbital momentum, O for orbital momentum, is equal to E by 2 ME into H by 2 pi. In place of N, we write 1. If we substitute the values for E 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, 2 and ME 9.31 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg into H 6.62 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second Planck's constant, and 2 into pi 22 by 7. If we simplify this, it comes out to be 9.27 into 10 raised to power minus 24 ampere meter square. Our MO is equal to 9.27 into 10 raised to power minus 24 ampere meter square, and is the value of Bohr's magneton, which is defined as the magnetic dipole moment when electron revolves in the first orbit of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom. Now assignment 5. Question number 5. A muon is a particle that has the same charge as an electron but 200 times heavier than it. If we had an atom in which muon revolves around a proton instead of an electron, what should be the magnetic moment of the muon in the ground state of such an atom? So answer would be 4.635 into 10 raised to power minus 26 ampere meter square. So solve it and arrive at this answer. Thank you so much.